Hey, what's up, everyone? It's your boy Dio from Funkla.com. If you're new on my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. It's not easy to make a video, guys, and I'm putting in a lot of time and money into this. So please hit the like button. That's the least you can do, and please subscribe if you're not yet one of my subscribers. So I'm gonna start with the fundamental news before I go into my technical analysis. The last technical analysis, I plan to be doing this every weekend. The last one I did, I nailed it. And to those that watched it and took after my idea, after doing their own homework, of course, because this video is just meant for educational purpose, not an investment advice, since I'm not a professional investment advisor or whatever. So those that took the idea, I think they are probably in profit, or they are able to reduce their Tesla losses, because as we all know, the stock went down at 1.21%, and right now it's a little bit stabilizing. So let's go into it. I'm going to first start with the reason why Tesla stock crashed last week. There are only two main reasons I believe the stock made the stock to go down last week. The first one was the S&P 500 exclusion, and the second one was simply Tesla complete stock sale. So, according to this news from Value Walk, the S&P, the Tesla stock excluded from the S&P 500. According to them, they're saying many investors had been banking on Tesla stock being added to the S&P 500 after the company posted its fourth straight quarter of profit. However, when it was revealed that the EV maker wasn't added to the index, its shares plugged by more than 21% on Monday, but recovered some of those losses by the end of the week. Overall, Tesla closed the week down around 11%. So I wasn't really shocked by this dip. I was expecting it. If you see my previous video, you would know I was anticipating the stock price was going to go down. Yeah, 10% recovered, 11% to go. So according to this article, Tesla stock has skyrocketed this year, climbing about 400% and making the company more valuable than some of the biggest automakers in the world. Of course, Tesla is presently the most valuable car manufacturer in the world, including Volkswagen and Toyota. It is unclear why the S&P 500 committee snubbed Tesla stock, but one popular hedge fund manager had an idea. So that is David Einhorn of on Greenlight Capital. He said in a recent letter that Tesla was giving the S&P 500 Index Committee. He pointed out that the most recent quarterly earnings report showed a sharp increase in sales of regulatory credit, which could account for its profit. He also said the automaker has been abusing the accounting rules. I think this is some dog shit. I mean, all these bearish analysts are saying Tesla made profit during the second quarter because of the regulatory credit. But I think, as time goes on, they're going to see Tesla is going. They've been saying this for years. So let's go on to the other reason why I believe Tesla stock went down last week, because of the sales, the stock sale. So, according to this website, once again, in addition to being excluded from the S&P 500, there is one other reason Tesla stock is down last week. The company announced a $5 billion capital raise last week, saying it would sell all the new shares from time to time at market values. However, the company revealed in a regulatory filing on Monday that it has already sold all of those shares. Tesla said it completed the sale of all $5 billion worth of shares under the At the Market offering program that was disclosed on September 1st. So, guys, there was this news last week that Tesla was going to sell $5 billion worth. They want to raise capital, they want to raise $5 billion, and they're going to dilute some of the shares, the value. So the thing is, Tesla already did it, and we are always. This is why I prefer trading most of the time based on technical analysis, because fundamental is mostly lagging behind. Before the person that writes the article, this person is going to take his or her time to put the article together, to do this, to do that, then finally posting it on their website or their publication media, and then investors are reading it, then they are acting according to the article. So, but when you trade based on technical analysis, you can easily see what the market is trying to do. You can see what investors are doing, what they are buying, what they are selling, where they are buying it, where the resistance are, where the supports are. So this is why I'm making this video for technical reasons. So There's this beef between Elon Musk and Bill Gates. Elon Musk blasted fellow billionaire Bill Gates, saying he's clueless about electric trucks. Tesla CEO blasted Bill Gates, saying he has no clue about the viability of electric trucks. Gates wrote in the August post, according to Bill Gates, he said electricity works when you need to cover short distances, but we need a different solution for heavy long haul vehicles. That's what Bill Gates said. And of course, this is all dog shit. So, according to Elon Musk was responding to a Twitter user who asked how he felt about Gates' declaration that electric vehicles weren't practical for long haul journeys. So, I mean, this is not the first time Elon Musk and Bill Gates are throwing punches at each other, just like Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos do, most of the time based on their rocket companies, Blue Origin or whatever it is they call it, and SpaceX. So, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has criticized his fellow billionaire and philanthropist Bill Gates over his views on the viability of bigger electric vehicles. So, according to Bill Gates, the co founder of Microsoft, he wrote, even with big breakthroughs in battery technology, electric vehicles will probably never be a practical solution for things like 18 wheelers, cargo ships, and passenger jets. Electricity works when you need to cover short distances, but we need a different solution for heavy, long. I don't think Bill Gates knows what he's talking about. So, Tesla, this is a news from Benzinga. Tesla reportedly in talks to buy low carbon nickel from Canada's Giga Metal. As you guys know, during the second earning report, Elon Musk, I mean, he made a statement that he's willing to pay billions to any company. He would give that contract immediately to any company that's able to mine nickel, in an environmentally friendly way, because nickel seems to be a hot cake right now, hot commodity for production of batteries. So, according to this news from Benzinga, Tesla, including, appears to be serious about its commitment to cut down on its carbon footprint as well as reduce pollution caused while driving. Tesla is engaged in discussions with Canadian miner Giga Metal for the supply of low carbon nickel to make the batteries that power its EVs. Reuters also reported this thing, citing sources familiar with the matter. Nickel is a preferred option for batteries as it has a higher voltage and twice the energy density of other metals, allowing EVs cover more distance between charging with less weight over heretic. So let's move on. Yeah, so in July, Tesla CEO Elon Musk sounded out his intention to support miners with a long-term contract if they can supply the EV maker with nickel mined efficiently and in an environmentally friendly manner. Let's move on to the last but not the least. As you guys know, Battery Day is coming on September 22nd. And after this day, according to the video I shared, my most recent video about Grunheide Town Hall meeting, on September 23rd, there's going to be this decision, about the licensing of Giga Berlin. So it's a very important date. On September 22nd and September 23rd is a very important day for Tesla investors. If you haven't seen the video, please go into my profile, you'll find it there. It's a video about Giga Berlin. So, Elon Musk, Tesla is about to unveil many exciting things. This is a news from the Monthly Full. So, let me read it out for you guys. One upcoming event Tesla investors have been looking forward to for months is the electric car makers Battery Day. While not much is known about the event, investors and analysts have speculated that the company will unveil improved battery chemistry and possibly enhanced supply commitment from the battery partners. Indeed, some analysts have even cited the September 22nd Battery Day event as a key reason to be bullish on the growth stock here. As we all know, a lot of analysts are bullish Tesla because of the Battery Day, because, according to Wedbush analyst Daniel Ives, he also said probably Tesla is going to announce a 1 million mile battery, so yeah. Those who were betting on exciting news to come out of the event got some validation on Friday from Tesla CEO Elon Musk himself. I mean, this is what Musk wrote this week. I mean, this from yesterday. Many exciting things will be unveiled on Battery Day 9/22, Musk said on Twitter. So, what could Tesla unveil? let's go a little bit further into this article, and then I'm going to start my technical analysis. We know a few things about what Tesla will likely unveil later this month, at least based on some teaser from CEO Elon Musk. Um, when Musk was in Berlin, Germany earlier this month, he said the company's new factory in Berlin would feature a bunch of innovative stuff, including a radical redesign to the core technology of building a car. He went on to know that the company will unveil some of what they are working on in Berlin at Tesla's upcoming Battery Day. According to Elon Musk, it is going to be the first time that there will be a transformation of the core structural design of the vehicle. It's quite a big thing. So, meanwhile, there are rumors that the background image in Tesla's invitation to the Battery Day event may be teasing a new nanowire technology for batteries that could enable 50% higher energy density than standard lithium ion batteries. So, finally, it's worth pointing out that Tesla Battery Day event will be held at a site where the company purportedly plans to work on a secret battery project for a new battery manufacturing system. So, with driving range of up to 402 miles on a single charge for the Tesla flagship Model S and up to 322 miles on its more affordable Model 3, the company's vehicles already have meaningful driving range. Could new battery technology help Tesla push the boundaries even more? All right, guys. So Tesla already have vehicles that can go up to 402 miles, and the Model 3, which is not so expensive, also can go more than 320 miles. So I think range is not going to be the thing here, but the core technology and the production. So that is it, guys, from the fundamental part of the of this past uh, trading days or whatever working days. So now we can go into the technical analysis, not to waste your time. So please, so if you are new on my channel, please hit the like button and let the YouTube algorithm pick up this video and share it with other Tesla investors. So guys, this is it, guys. Let's get started with the technical analysis part of this Tesla video. So last week when I made the video, the price closed on Friday around 418 US dollars, and I made this support this trend line. I also drew this trend line, and my prediction was, like I said in the video, the price was definitely going to come down to this area. And in that video, I also explained to you guys that this is where I'll be buying the stock from. And that is what I did last week when the market went down on Monday, 21%. I loaded up in this area on Monday and on Tuesday. This was me loading up massively. And this is my super bullish range. And unfortunately, we only got there a little bit. So I bought a little bit at 333. And that was it. It went there. And on Tuesday, on Monday, market was closed. This was Tuesday, this was Wednesday, this was Thursday, and this was Friday. So on Wednesday, I also bought a little bit here after I spotted this bullish candlestick, and that is it. This is my buying range. This is my super bullish range, and this is in this level, I plan not to do anything around this level. Like I said in the video, on this level, I'm just going to keep watching the the price action. And if it comes to this area, I'll be watching it to check out if the price is going to make a double top or not. That's another important thing you guys should pay attention to. This is $500 level. At this level, I'm not gonna be buying anything, at this level. So what I'm just going to be doing is I'll be watching the price action, and I'll see if we can break this the all-time high, which is around 502 US dollars, if we can break it or not. So that's what I'll be doing. So right now, this is the chart that is being played right now. As you guys can see, we have the support here, the trend line. And if the price luckily comes down around here again before the battery day, I'm going to be loading up again. I don't see the price of the stock coming below this line for now. I mean, everything is good for Tesla right now. They have like 5 billion US dollars they just raised most recently, and the company is very strong in terms of capital. They have enough money to throw into research and development. So I don't see anything going wrong for them right now. And a lot of people that are saying competition is coming. Look at Nikola, for example. It's full of fraud. I mean, I don't want to go deep into that Nikola thing. and look at Lucid Air. I also don't believe everything those people are showing in their most in their previous presentation. I don't believe in all those things they're showing. So this is my own analysis, guys, and I mean, I drew this support line, and this is where I first was expecting the price to come because the market was crashing heavily 2 weeks ago. So I was hoping it would come at least to $275 level so I could load up like crazy. But unfortunately, this support line stopped everything. So this is what is happening, guys. This is what is playing right now. I'm very long. I'm not day trading Tesla. I'm a super bullish long-term investor, but I like loading up every dip. So it's always good idea to, if you know how to use technical analysis, whenever the price is too high, you can always take you can cut some of your profit. You can take some profit, and when the price goes a little bit, you sell high, you buy low. So it's always good to also include technical analysis whenever you're investing, so you don't end up buying the top and waiting for months or years sometimes before you break even, for example. So that's the main reason why we also have to consider using technical analysis as a Tesla investor. So anytime the price comes down, you can load up, and whenever it goes up, you just don't do anything. You just watch it. And when it's super up, like it went in last month, you can always take some of your profit off. Then you can wait and buy again. And when the price goes back to that top, you're doubling your money already. So that's my idea of Tesla. And this is it, guys. This is it for today. I mean, nothing big here to show. This was where the market closed on Friday, and like I said, I'm not gonna buy. I said I wasn't going to buy above this level, and I didn't so far. So when the price got here on Monday, luckily I did what? I loaded up around this range exactly. And right now I'm sitting on about 75%. I mean, my portfolio is about 75% Tesla. So yeah, this is it, guys. Please support. I mean, it's not easy to make video. If you like what I'm showing you guys and you like that I do it every week, please support this channel with a simple like button. If you hit the like button, it's going to help me. I mean, it keeps me, it energizes me. So please hit the like button and subscribe if you are not yet a subscriber. I like sharing video about Tesla and breaking news related stuff. So thank you very much, guys. Have a wonderful weekend. I remain your boy, Dio, and this is Fronkla.com.